If you use Calendly to manage your meetings, sometimes having a paper copy of your schedule just makes life easier. In this video, I show you exactly how to print your Calendly schedule step by step. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. First, head over to the Calendly website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all your upcoming events and meetings neatly listed. Next, choose the meeting you want to print. Just click on it and you'll see all the details: time, date, and participants. From here, look for the export option. When you click export, Calendly will generate a file with all your meeting details. This usually downloads as a PDF or similar format, which makes it super easy to print. Once the file is downloaded, open it from your computer's Downloads folder. It should display everything clearly in a printer-friendly layout. Now, just click Print. Adjust your printer settings if you want color or black and white, and hit Confirm. And there you go. Your Calendly schedule is ready in hard copy. Having a printed version of your schedule is perfect for planning a busy week or keeping things handy on your desk. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.